Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Now I don't have to run out there and try to find you so I can tell you about my new Elite Screens GolfSim ImpacWhite 350. Now when you're looking for a golf simulator, wait, you are looking for a golf simulator, right? Okay, good. Because when you're looking for one of those golf simulators, the next thing that you gotta get in order to complete the package is the actual screen that you project on. And that thing is gonna be really important because you're gonna need something that will resist the impact from the golf balls. Now it just so happens that the ImpacWhite 350, it actually resists impacts of up to 150 miles per hour. But don't be worried about the ball slingshotting back and hitting you in the kneecaps or anything like that. Trust me, I've tested this one out myself and it's got very minimal bounce back. But as far as picture quality goes, this thing is going to give you a clear and sharp presentation without any loss of image quality. In fact, if you get in a little closer and even move left or right, you're going to notice it's got a wide viewing angle, so that way you're going to get a nice bright uniform image no matter what angle you're looking at it from. Straightforward, this thing has been designed to perform at high industry standards for cinema quality presentations. Now you get a lot in the package, and that's a good thing because that means value, right? It all comes packed in this nice traveler-friendly carrying case, but once you open it up, you'll notice that it's got this lightweight aluminum frame. And if you're smart like me, you'll read the instructions well, and it should only take you just a few minutes to put it together, and you won't even need any special tools. And while you're putting it together, you'll notice that the screen actually attaches to the frame using Velcro and ball bungees. This way you can get a nice flat and taut surface. Because there's nothing worse than driving your balls down range and seeing a bunch of waves and wrinkles. You won't be experiencing none of that, and if you do, you actually get to adjust it on the fly using the Velcro and ball bungees. Now I did mention they give you a lot in the package. Now this next piece is more like a built-in safety feature as far as I'm concerned, because they give you the top, the left, and the right enclosure panels with the mesh attached to it. This way, as you're driving your balls down range, if you go a little far left or a little far right or even up above, you won't be hitting your garage walls or whatever room you have this thing set up in. The net and the enclosure panels are actually going to catch that ball for you and keep everything safe and sound. Now you will need to clear out a bit of space for the entire structure, but it's going to be totally worth it because once it's completed, you got this 8x10 landscape to hone your driving skills. Now honing your driving skills is one thing, but let's just remember at the end of the day, you got yourself an 8x10 cinema quality screen. So once you're done driving, you might as well go ahead and make it a movie night. Now y'all keep being good to each other and I'll see you when I see you.
Elite Screens. Get the big picture.